Hi, in the last video we learned how to create a new shape cursor, and in this video we are going to learn how to create a new image cursor. Let's go to our website. Okay, with the version 3.03 you need to click on add new cursor, and here you can click on this link or click cursor maker. Okay, now let's select the cursor type to image, then click here to upload your image. Once you uploaded your image, select your image and select cursor. You can change the width or define a background for your cursor. Radius, you can set the padding, and you can set the blending mode. Okay, let's turn off the background since we don't want this background here, and save the cursor. But before saving the cursor, there's one more thing about the image cursor. There is this red dot here, and this is the click point. Click point is the point where click happens. When you have an image cursor, you can define the clicking point. So to change the click point, just grab this red dot and drag it to the position you want to define as click point. So let's set the click point to here and save the cursor. Once your cursor is saved, it should appear in the cursor list. In the cursor list, select your cursor. You can preview it here and click next, next, next. Add it to the body and save the cursor. Okay, our cursor is added. Now let's go to front of our website and see how it works. Yeah, as you can see, our cursor is added. Thanks for watching.